62-year-old gentleman diagnosed with COVID-19 recovered and was discharged from Bethany Hospital, Shillong. He is a known case of diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, hypothyroidism, and oropharynx, post-radiotherapy, surgery, and chemotherapy. Whenever a patient recovers, it is a proud moment for us. However, due to his comorbidities, it is inspiring news for all of us. This patient was put on oxygen therapy and other treatment as per protocol. During the course of his hospital stay, the patient's condition improved. Our team of doctors and staff who were treating him noticed his stern will to fight against the virus. It is the will that is most important to fight against coronavirus. He has set an example that even people with such comorbidities can fight the virus. Though older persons with comorbidities might be at greater risk, but this does not mean the battle is lost for them. This gentleman is an example of hope. Hope along with great care and a good fight can make miracles happen even if the odds are against you.